Ah! Are you training your duck? We're at the zoo today. Look at the river. So cool.
Yeah, we're crossing over a bridge. We're crossing over a bridge.
In there, vultures. Ew, so gross. They're gonna come and eat you. Go, Jax, go. Why are you so high up? You guys, we just got our own private tour of the zoo.
Yeah.
How cool.
Yeah.
No one's on, it's just us. We're
Yeah.
gonna have a blast, huh?
Yep.
So welcome to the Forvana exhibit.
Take a look.
It's a signature exhibit here at the Phoenix Zoo, and it's home to 11 different types of animals on Ford Haskins.
There's a giraffe. Look at
As you
that.
can see on the far right side of the exhibit, it is home to our tallest resident.
Look, giraffe.
Now we do have two different
It's
types
a
of giraffes
triangle.
at the Phoenix Zoo, but those two right there are actually mom and daughter. So mom is Sunshine, and Siku is
Oh, look at that guy.
Now we can look at.
Then you have the giraffes over there. They're running away. All right, where are we going first, Jackson?
We're going
Oh, it's a little windy. Where are we going?
to the spiders.
To the bugs?
Yeah.
All right, to the big bugs. Sounds good. My goodness. Look at these big bugs. Holy cow, look at that. It's a bee and a ladybug. Dang, look at all these. They're gonna eat us. They're gonna come alive and get us. What? Look at it's gonna eat us. Ah! Look how big it is. Dang. You're what? Oh, you're hitting the bug? Oh, that's not nice. Oh, and look at those dragonflies. Look how cool that is. Yeah, look at how pretty. Their big wings. No, maybe we can ride on the back of one of these things. That'd be so cool. Go, yeah! Look at this ram. What is up with you? Check this out. If you can't stand the heat, you don't belong in the desert. I guess I don't belong in the desert, huh? You can stand, look at the picture. They're just chilling there. Right there.
We're chewing.
Uh-oh, look at that wild animal back there. Only few see it out in the wild. It's a tractor with its claw. Jackson, look at peas. Look at its being.
We just see hot
It's
water.
a stink beetle. All right, now this guy's massive. Look at that. Empire scorpion. We got some grasshoppers. This is crazy. Look at the belly on this thing. It's lighting up. You can't see it, but it does. So cool. Spin the wheel as fast as you can. Ah, spider! Look at. Don't get caught in its web. Let's not do that. Your favorite, a spider.
No?
No, you don't like the spider?
No.
Zephyr, do you like the spider?
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at those pinchers.
Look. Look at it.
All right, Jackson, why did the spider eat the firefly? It wanted a light snack. Aha! That's funny. No. No. Okay. All right. Well, that wasn't funny. Whoa, how cool. What else do you see?
I see a spider.
Oh,
Wow.
whoa! So cool! Look at that pretty butterfly! Wow, that's bigger than you are! Whoa! Whoa. What's up next? Is that all you know how to say, mister? Whoa? No one's here. Come on, I want to see real bugs. All I see is that thing.
Nope, we're thinking.
You're supposed to write it, dork. That's mean. So you're hitting it now? Look at the turtles. Look at how big. They're just super slow. Or they're dead. Or sleeping.
They're not, because they're sweet.
They're asleep? Oh, okay. I thought they were dead. I think it's gonna eat you. It's the world's biggest tarantula. Alright, what do we got for lunch today? We got cool Lunchable,
And we got some cookies.
cookies,
And we got free
and
cookies.
Kool-Aid jammers.
Yeah, we got some.
Ew, that was gross. Yum. How do you make a sandwich? Use the cookie too? Oh, here, put it on this. Eat on this. Zephyr's chasing all the birds. Ew. What are you doing? Eat it.
No. I don't want to eat it like this.
You're gonna eat it like that?
Oh my god,
How does it taste?
It's big.
It's big?
Ah, my flipping.
Mmm. Is it good? Oh my god. The bird just pooped on my jacket. It's time to put the food up, boys. This is ridiculous. Can't believe how you could just poop on me right now. Ugh. Move the food, move the food, move the food. Pack it up, pack it up. How could you all betray me like that? Why would you poop on my clean jacket?
This one's
All
tiny.
cleaned it all off. We're good now. Let's go. I'm clean. Probably gonna get a bunch of diseases from you. Can't believe you pooped on me. That's disgusting.
I poop eyes.
Okay. Are you telling people the birds are pooping on people? What are you doing, silly? Look at all the birds over here.
See?
All the birds are stalking us. Look.
Wait,
Where's-
this guy wants my
Found a new spot
This guy
to eat our yummies, and this kid is bringing all the birds back.
wants my
We even got a duck. Look at the duck right here. Oh, there's one underneath the table. Hey.
Hey, here. Hey, guy. Hey, what's up?
Hey, ducky. No, stop feeding them. They're everywhere. Hey, guy. Stop. Jackson, stop. Don't feed him cheese. Stop it feeding. This kid over here. Okay, Jackson, stop. Look at that ugly bird.
Wait,
And
here.
the bird's eating cheese. Oh my gosh. Look at all these birds. I'm gonna get pooped on again. Oh my gosh. Feed the duck animal crackers, Zephyr.
Oh, it's going on our shoulder. Take it. I don't want to drop it.
Are you training your duck? How about you give the duck something that is actually healthy for him, like lettuce?
Sure. Lucky, I got some lettuce.
Lettuce is good for him.
Hey, he wants more lettuce.
They like salad.
Here.
See, look. It's good for the duck. Why does this duck not like salad?
He likes our.
Someone's spoiled. Why is Zephyr's shoe down there? Oh, but he eats cheese.
Yeah, he wants
A
cheese.
retarded duck? No, he needs to eat salad.
Hey, this one that he takes the salad.
Fat foot.
Hey, wait, wait. Don't fight me. He wants to fight me. Oh my god! He wants my pizza. He wants your pizza. He wants your pizza.
Wants my pizza?
Ah! He's eating the pizza. What? He's eating the pizza. What? Okay. Okay, he wants to attack me. Let's get him. Wait him. Wait, sick. Hey, where is he?
Okay.
Animals.
We're gonna see more animals?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, let's see if we can find monkeys. Do you see any monkeys? Look at that monkey.
Over here. Look in here. Buddy.
Look at the baby monkeys. There's a monkey over there. It's just hanging there. Hey, hi. You go, and he's eating the rope. What is the monkey doing?
She was trying to get in. Oh, he's going to fly down.
It's Jiwa. Jiwa? Best
Look at it. Right now, the only monkey I see is your brother. Nope. Let's not go back. No. Stay on the trail. Hi, little monkey. We didn't get to see monkeys because this one got us kicked out for misbehaving because it can't stay in the ropes. You were so bad. Alright, so we did not get to see the monkeys because these children were bad at acting like monkeys. I guess I should have left them in there. See you later.
We'll check you out again on Jada C Playtime. Yay!